pulse, deep inside. Sacred pose, never hide. Under the moonlight glow, where the quiet rivers flow, there's a rhythm in my chest, never rest. From the roots beneath the sand to the sky across the land, there's a sound we can't ignore, ancient roar. Not in noise, not in fame, not in chasing after name, but in silence we align. Sacred sign, sacred pulse inside of me, flowing like eternity. Through the dark I clearly see I am free. Sacred pulse inside the night, guiding with invisible light. Through the struggle, through the fight, hold me tight. Babylon can shake the ground, but this rhythm still is found. Beating steady, beating slow, deep below. Lioness don't need to shout, power grow from within out. Breathing steady through the storm, spirit warm. Pulse, pulse, deep, deep. When the world is moving fast, chasing future, chasing past, I return where I belong, in the song. From the dust to the divine, every heartbeat is a sign. We are more than what we see. Energy, sacred pulse eternally, rooted in identity. Through the dark we still will be wild and free. Feel the pulse, sacred pulse. soul. Silence and meditation, hard to line with vibration. Every breath a revelation, elevation. Are spreading underground without sound. From the ashes of the day, night will wash the pain away. Every heartbeat finds a way here to stay. Midnight chant, hear the call, we will never fall. Midnight chant, through the flame, always stay the same. Wild and free, pure identity. Midnight calling, still resounding. In the shadow, roots grow slow. Under concrete, under stone, seeds are rising all alone. Silent power, unseen force, changing course. In the shadow we survive, in the darkness we revive. What they try to push away, find its way. No spotlight, no parade, still the foundation laid. Every heartbeat in the ground, heavy sound. Roots in the shadow grow deeper than they know. Even when the lights are low, we will grow. Roots in the shadow strong, where we belong. Through the silence all along, we are strong. Babylon built towers high, touching almost to the sky. But the root beneath the land still will stand. Lioness in quiet grace, no need for a crown to place. Royal blood inside the vein, through the pain. Whisper truth in every street, hidden under marching feet. Still it rise without a sound, all around. grow, roots rise, roots grow. Rising, rising, lioness rising. Oh. From the shadow to the flame, no more hiding, no more shame. Every scar became my crown. I won't drown. Through the silence I have grown, built a kingdom of my own, not of gold but made of fire. Higher, higher. Every step I take is strong. Every breath of freedom song. No more waiting for the sign. Now is mine. Lioness rising high, touching the sky. No fear in my eyes. From the roots we elevate, no more living under weight. Every chain begin to break, make it shake. Lioness rising bright, shining in the night through the darkest fight. We rise, lioness rising free, pure dignity. This is destiny, you and me. Every loss became a gain, now the world can hear the sound. Solid ground, no more whisper in the dark. Now we lighting up the spark, from the silence to the roar. More and more, lioness rising high, under open sky. Let the old system die. We rise, lioness rising strong, future long. This is where we belong. All along, rising, still rising. Oh, rising, still rising. Oh, no noise, no fear, rebel, right here. I don't scream, I don't shout, still I know what I'm about. Revolution in my mind, hard to find. Not in chaos, not in rage, but in wisdom of the age. Calm as water, strong as stone, on my own. Babylon can talk loud, build illusion like a cloud, but I see through the disguise. Open eyes, rebel in silence, no need for violence. Strength in my guidance, deep defiance. Rebel in silence, clear self-reliance, unshaken alliance. Inner science, silence. Rebel, stand firm. When they push, I don't bend. When they test, I transcend. Storm can rage above my head, still I tread. I don't follow, I don't chase. Truth reflected in my face. No permission, no request. I am blessed. Rebel in silence, built on resilience. Fear has no residence, pure existence. Rebel in silence, soul in alignment, quiet refinement, true enlightenment. Silent, silent. But rising. Freedom, hear the echo. Freedom. From the valley to the hill, feel the vibration still. There's a sound that can't be chained, unrestrained, unrestrained. Through the city, through the crowd, the whisper soft but speaking loud. Like a drum inside the chest, never rest, never rest. Babylon can close the gate, but it always comes too late. Truth is flying through the sky, can't deny. Oh, control it, awaken every soul. No more sitting on the side. Let it ride from the dust into the flame. We are more than just a name. Every beat, a revolution, resolution. Drum of the people, feel the fire, taking us higher. Drum of the people, deep and true, beating inside you. Drum of the people, stand as one, under one sun. Drum of the people, heartbeat let it beat. Drum, heartbeat, people. Drum, 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 I drum, 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 rise up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shining over Babylon. Morning breaking through the gray, chasing all the night away. Golden rays across the land, take my hand. Babylon was built so tall, but every tower gonna fall. When the truth begins to rise, open eyes. From the ashes of the fear, something pure is drawing near. Feel the warmth upon your skin from within. Light over Babylon, shining strong. We've been waiting all along. Light over Babylon, burning bright, turning darkness into light. Light over Babylon, clear and true, shining over me and you. You. Lioness beneath the sun, knows the battle now is won. Not by force, not by sword, but by word. Every sister, every king, feel the change the morning bring. No more shadow on the wall, hear the call. Change dissolving in the heat, old illusion face defeat. Every heartbeat synchronized, we rise. Light over Babylon, lift the veil, let the old system fail. Light over Babylon, free the mind, leave the past behind. Light over, brighter, higher. After every darkest night comes the promise of the light. Nothing hidden, nothing wrong, just a song. From the root into the sky, no more need to ask why. Every soul begin to glow, let it flow. Light over Babylon, see it rise, reflected in our eyes. Light over Babylon, strong and free, future destiny. Light, shining, shining. Golden horizon, fear we knew. There's a sky forever blue, painted by a rising sun. We are one. All the storms we walked through, every scar that made us true, led us to this open door. Something more. From the valley to the heights, we kept walking toward the light. Now the morning clearly showed time to grow. Golden horizon, calling my name. After the fire and flame, golden horizon, wide and free, shining destiny. Golden horizon, clear to see. Future calling me. Lioness with steady gaze, walking through the brighter days. No more shadow on her face, only grace. Every sister, every king, feel the change the dawn will bring. From the ashes we have grown, seeds we'd sown. Not divided, not confined, open heart and open mind. Every step aligned, redefined. Golden horizon, lift me high under an endless sky. Golden horizon, soft but strong. We've been here all along. Golden horizon, forward, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Every night has made us wise, every fall helped us rise. And now the vision crystal clear, future near. From the roots into the flame, we are more than just a name. Standing at the edge of light, ready fly. Horizon, shining bright, cutting through the night. Golden horizon, strong From the mountains to the sea, every soul is feeling free. Different faces, different names, same thing. Through the struggle, through the pain, through the sunshine and the rain, we keep walking side by side with pride.